H10 Casanova, really good hotel, excellent breakfast with champagne. 15-minute walk to the centre of Barcelona that way. Plenty of shops. If you don't want their breakfast, there's a cafe just here. Metro, 1-minute walk, and the nearest COVID testing centre 3 blocks down this road, 1 block left, 1 block right, and it's on your right. Excellent location, really good choice. So this is our room. Sorry about the mess, we're just getting ready to go. Massive bed, brand new mattress, nice big telly, huge window on our corner looking down into a courtyard, and again, excuse the mess, bathroom, nice shower, and lots of shower gel, conditioner and hand cream. Really impressed.